Hey guys!
Hi guys.
Today me and Joani is gonna be doing box braids over our locks.
She just wanna get up in her bag. She don't wanna look into her past. She tell me she just want a real man. Tell me she just want a real man. She just wanna get up in her bag. She don't wanna look into her past.
So we've had our locks for a little over a year now, probably like a year and a month. And we're just trying to do something new. We haven't done any like thing other than this hairstyle on our hair. So we're just trying to switch it up, basically. So we're pretty excited. We're nervous at the same time because I don't know what to really expect. Like, how is it gonna turn out? Oh, if we're gonna even be able to do it. Yeah. I have like thinner locks. So how do you think you're gonna do mine? I might just do three at a time, depending on how big the part is. I think 3 is enough though, because I don't want to do too much because I just don't want it to be harder to blend. Yeah, let me see.
You think you know how much you gonna do for me?
So I do 2 or 1. I feel like I should do, I gotta do the math and see. So 3, or I'm gonna do like 180 divided by 3. So I'll have 60 braids if I do it. If you have 3, about 60.
So you could do, what did I have? I had like 120 or something.
Yeah, 120.
Divided by 2. Yeah, so you can do 2 and I'll do 3.
Okay.
And we'll have about 60
braids in total.
So bright.
So we have a lot of different brands and colors because we are just trying to reuse the old hair that we've been had stored away somewhere. So this is the model in the color copper. 1 pack of this brown WaterTech, a 1B WaterTech. I don't even know what it's called, glance braid. So, or burgundy, right? Yeah, burgundy.
We're not sure how many packs we're gonna use yet, so we just have, hopefully that's enough. For my hair, it's all the same. It's basically all the same. I have 3 packs of 1B30 in the brand WaterTech, and it's like ombre. So let's go black to brown. And I think that would be enough for our hair because normally we would use 2 packs of those packs. So we just got an extra pack just in case because we're making them thicker than what we normally would make them. neck was hurting when you were doing mine. Too long. Like I said, we have like about 60 braids in our hair each. So for hers, I did knotless braids. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I just have regular box braids in mine because I combined 3 at a time and she combined 2 at a time for me. So it's hard to like kind of blend it. Like, I'm not sure if you guys can see. Trying to go up close for you guys so you guys can see that there is still hair sticking out, but it's not really that much and it's not really that noticeable either, so it's not really bothersome. Like right here, like this one. But it's okay. It's to be expected because it's kind of, I don't know how to explain it. They're locks, so yeah. It has bulkiness to them. It's not regular loose natural hair, so it's gonna be a little bit different, but it's something that I can definitely get used to. Yeah, we definitely tried to tuck as much as we could, so I would suggest learning how to tuck your hair before you try and do actual braids over your hair, unless it's probably gonna look too tacky, but this is pretty good. So this is before we dip, and then we'll show you guys another one after we dip. Guys, so we're finally done dipping our hair and everything. In total it took 3 hours, so 6 hours altogether, including me and Joani's hair, but it didn't take long at all. But yeah, I am not used to having my hair like this. It's been literally over a year since I've had my hair in braids or just any attachments. Yeah. So it's like I can feel every single how weighted it is. It don't feel like knotless whatsoever. Like knotless, you can pull it up whenever, however. And right now I can't do that because it hurts. Yeah, my hair hurts really bad too. It's really sore. I don't miss this about getting braids at all. I don't either. But I like the way they look. So we're just gonna do our edges. This is the edge that we're using for today. She is bomb. Sorry for looking up here. We're looking at the viewfinder. We're just making sure we're in focus, that's all. We use this to kind of like top it off pretty much. They got to be black. Sometimes we use the yellow one, but most of the time we use this one because it's clear. Yeah. And then our edge brushes are just normal edge brushes. We have the, haven't did my edges in a long time too. Yeah, so it feels super weird doing this.
But I don't think edges is something you forget how to do.
I'm about to find out.
Done with our edges, as you guys can see. They're nice and laid. I'm super excited about it because I have not seen my hair like this in such a long time, and it's so cute to me.
Yeah, I just love it so much.
So that is the end of our video. We hope that you guys enjoyed it. We want to thank you all so much for watching our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell to be notified whenever we post. We do post every single Thursday. And stay tuned for more videos. Bye!